Hello, this is Mr. Stein, and in this video, we are going to go through section 6.1, slope of a line, examples number 1 and 2. After you're done this unit, you should be able to relate the slope of a line to a rate of change, quickly tell slopes that are positive, negative, 0, and undefined, determine the slope of a line from a graph and draw a line of given slope, determine the slope of a line between 2 points using a formula. All right, let's head over to example problem 1. Example problem 1 states determine the slope of each line segment. So we're given a line, we're asked to find the slope. Now we can look quickly at letter A. We can see that it's going up from left to right, so this is going to be a positive slope. And letter B, it's going down from left to right, so this is going to be a negative slope. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. All right, so in letter A, we already have 2 points selected nicely for us, right on the lines. So we have to figure out the rise. So in pink here, I'm going to figure out the change in y, which is also the rise. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes up 9. Now I can figure that out by looking at the top one, 4, take away minus 5. 4 take away minus 5 is plus 9. Now I'm going to look at the run. The run starts from here, goes across. That's our change in x, how far left and right, or the run. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6. Or if I went 1, take away minus 5, it starts at 1. Take away minus 5, I'd get plus 6. So our slope is equal to our change in y over our change in x, rise over run. Our slope is equal to plus 9 over plus 6. Reduce the fraction to 3 over 2. And that's a positive 3 over 2. Let's do the same thing for letter B. Let's take a look at my rise. Well, this time we're dropping. So our change in y is equal to negative 3. Our rise is negative 3. Then we look at our run. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our run is plus 9, or our change in x. So our slope is equal to change in y, our rise, over our run, change in x, minus 3 over 9, which is equal to minus 1 over 3. Now you don't have to use those 2 points. If you find another point, like this one, right there, you can use those points and you will get the exact same slope. So if I use those 2 points right there, I would have negative 1 and 3, which should also give me the slope of negative 1 over 3. All right, let's take a look at example number 2. To draw a line segment with each slope. Now we're just asked to draw any line segment. It's not telling us any particular points to use. So we just need to draw some line segment somewhere. So the slope is 4 over 9. So this 4 is going to be our change in y, or our rise. And this 9 is going to be our change in x, or our run. So in this question, I can choose any point I want to start at for letter A. I'm going to choose this point right here. Now my rise tells me to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my rise. Change in y is equal to plus 4. Then my run tells me to go over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. There's my run. There's my change in x, which is equal to plus 9, my run. And my line goes between those 2 points. And it can keep going on forever. That is letter A. It doesn't matter where you start it because the question hasn't indicated which 2 points to use. All right, let's look at the next one. Now this guy has a negative in front. I'm going to rewrite this so that the negative is on top because I can. This is our change in y. That means we're going down. Our rise is negative. We're going down 8. And then this is our change in x. We're going over 3. So we go to the graph, and we choose the location for a point. And I'm going to choose to do this point in orange. I can start anywhere on my graph. Right there's my start. Now it's going to go down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 8 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Connect those 2 points up. And that is my line that has a slope of negative 8 over 3. All right, so in these 2 examples, you learned how to get the slope from a graph and using the slope, draw a line of that slope. Hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions,